Welcome to our tutorial on how to view the date you joined Facebook. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to uncover this piece of your social media history. Whether you're feeling nostalgic or just curious, knowing your Facebook join date can be a fun little tidbit to share with friends. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main feed, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located right below your profile picture and cover photo. Give it a tap to enter the edit mode. As you scroll down through your profile information, keep an eye out for the Details section. This is where Facebook keeps some of your account specifics. When you find it, tap on the Edit option within this section. Here's where the magic happens. In the Details edit screen, scroll down until you see the Joined Facebook section. You might need to look carefully, as it's sometimes tucked away among other information. Once you've found it, you'll see a checkbox next to Show Join Date on Profile. Simply tap this checkbox to enable it, and then hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it. You've now made your Facebook join date visible on your profile. To view it, just go back to your main profile page and scroll down to the About section. You should see your join date displayed there for all to see. Remember, this feature allows you to share a bit of your Facebook history with your friends. It's a great conversation starter and can bring back memories of when you first stepped into the world of social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.